Amsterdam is a city in the Netherlands. It is in the west of the country. It is also the capital city. It is next to a big body of water called the IJsselmeer. The city connects to the North Sea by canals. It is a famous place. Many people visit every year. Amsterdam is known for its old buildings and canals. The city is an important place for business. Many companies work here. Amsterdam is also important for banking and trade. These make the city rich. Amsterdam is over 700 years old. It is very old, but still modern. People like its beautiful streets and history. Many visitors come to see its famous sights. Tourists enjoy the narrow streets and big squares. They also love the canals. The canals are very old. People call Amsterdam the City of Canals. Life in Amsterdam is busy. Many people live in the city. The streets are full of bikes, cars, and people walking. The city is also very colorful. Amsterdam is different from other cities. It has canals instead of big roads. Boats go through the canals. Many houses are next to the water. People call Amsterdam a friendly city. It is famous for its art and museums. Visitors enjoy learning about the city's rich history. Amsterdam is not just about the past. It is modern too. There are many shops, restaurants, and events. It is a mix of old and new. Amsterdam is also a place for all people. It welcomes everyone. People from many countries live here. It is a city of diversity. This mix of people makes Amsterdam special. It has many cultures, foods, and traditions. Visitors love the city's open and kind spirit. Amsterdam is a city full of life. Its old canals, modern shops, and busy streets make it unique. This is why so many people come to visit. Amsterdam is famous for its history. Many old buildings still stand today. The Old Church is one of them. It was built in the 13th century. The Royal Palace is another famous building. It is on Dam Square. It was built in the 17th century. It shows the rich past of the city. Amsterdam also has many museums. One is the Rijksmuseum. It is famous for paintings by Dutch artists. Visitors come from all over to see them. The Van Gogh Museum is another popular spot. It has many works by Vincent van Gogh. He is one of the world's most famous painters. The Anne Frank House is a special place. It tells the story of Anne Frank. She lived in hiding during World War II. Many people visit it. Amsterdam is a city of art and culture. Its museums and landmarks tell the story of its past. They also show why it is loved by so many. The old streets of Amsterdam are full of charm. They have small shops and cafes. Walking here feels like going back in time. Many old houses in Amsterdam have special designs. Some have tall, narrow fronts. Others have decorations on their walls. Each tells a story. The canals in the city are also part of its history. They were built in the 17th century. Today, they are a key part of Amsterdam's beauty. Amsterdam is also known for music. Churches have bells that play songs. Many people enjoy these sounds as they walk in the streets. The city is home to many art festivals. These events bring artists from all over the world. They keep the city's creative spirit alive. Amsterdam's mix of art, history, and music makes it special. Visitors always find something to learn and love in this beautiful city. Amsterdam is a flat city. It is very low and close to the water. Some parts of the city are even below sea level. People worked hard to build it. The city has a river called the Amstel. It flows through Amsterdam. Many canals connect to the river. These canals are very old and famous. The IJsselmeer is a big lake near Amsterdam. It used to be part of the sea. Now it is closed off by a dam. It helps keep the city safe. Amsterdam has many bridges. There are more than 1,300 in the city. They help people cross the canals. Each bridge has its own design. The streets in Amsterdam are narrow. Many of them are next to canals. These streets are busy with bikes, cars, and people every day. The canals form a special shape in the city. They look like a spider's web. This design makes Amsterdam different from other cities. Some land in Amsterdam was made by people. It was taken from the sea. Dams and walls stop the water. This land is now home to houses and parks. The city is small but has many parts. Some areas have old buildings and canals. Other areas are new with modern houses and offices. Walking in Amsterdam feels special. You see water everywhere. The old streets and bridges make it a beautiful and unique city to explore. Amsterdam's canals and rivers make it special. Boats are common here. People use them for fun and for travel. They are part of daily life. The city's bridges, water, and old streets tell its story. Amsterdam is a place where the past and present meet. Its layout makes it famous. From narrow streets to wide canals, Amsterdam has a unique charm. Visitors from all over the world enjoy its beauty and history every day. Life in Amsterdam is busy and lively. Many people live and work here. The city is full of movement, with bikes, cars, and boats everywhere. Bikes are very popular in Amsterdam. Most people ride bikes to work, school, or the shops. There are bike paths all over the city. The city is also famous for its markets. People can buy fresh food, flowers, and clothes. Markets are a part of daily life in Amsterdam. People in Amsterdam enjoy food from many places. Chinese and Indonesian restaurants are very common. These foods show the city's global history. Many people live on houseboats. These are homes on the water. They are small but cozy. Houseboats are a unique part of Amsterdam's charm. The city is also home to many parks. People visit parks to relax, have picnics, or play sports. Vondelpark is the most famous one in Amsterdam. Amsterdam is a city of diversity. Many people from different countries live here. They bring their cultures, foods, and traditions to the city. This mix of cultures makes Amsterdam special. You can hear many languages on the streets. People enjoy learning about each other's lives. The city is also home to many parks. People visit parks to relax, have picnics, or play sports. Vondelpark is the most famous one in Amsterdam. Amsterdam's canals are part of daily life. People walk by them or take boat rides. The water adds to the peaceful feeling of the city. The streets are filled with life. There are shops, cafes, and street performers. Every corner of Amsterdam has something interesting to see. Daily life in Amsterdam is colorful and active. The mix of old traditions and modern living makes the city exciting for everyone. Amsterdam's economy is very strong. It is a center for trade and business. Many people work in offices, shops, and banks in the city. Trade has been important in Amsterdam for many years. The city's port connects it to the world. Ships bring goods from other countries. Amsterdam is also a financial center. Big banks and companies have offices here. These create many jobs and make the city wealthy. Tourism is a big part of Amsterdam's economy. Many people visit the city each year. They spend money on hotels, food, and souvenirs. Amsterdam has many museums, parks, and events. These bring tourists from all over the world. Tourism helps the city grow and create jobs. The airport is also very important. Schiphol is one of the busiest airports in Europe. It connects Amsterdam to many countries. The Port of Amsterdam is smaller than Rotterdam's. Still, it is very busy. Ships carry goods like food, clothes, and oil to the city. Amsterdam is famous for diamonds. Workers in the city cut and polish diamonds. This has been part of its economy for many years. New jobs are in modern industries. Technology, design, and green energy are growing in Amsterdam. These make the city's future bright. Amsterdam's service sector is strong. This includes jobs in healthcare, education, and transport. These services help people in daily life. The city also supports workers. It offers training and education. This helps people learn new skills and find good jobs in the growing economy. Amsterdam's mix of old trade and new industries keeps it strong. The city continues to grow, offering jobs and a good life to its people. Amsterdam is a modern city. It has new buildings, parks, and offices. These mix well with the old canals and historic streets of the city. The city is well planned. New homes and schools are built for the people. Many areas are green with trees and gardens for everyone to enjoy. Amsterdam has a good public transport system. Buses, trams, and trains help people move around. The metro is also fast and easy to use. The metro is fast, but trams are very popular. Trams move through the city. They are a common way to travel, especially in the old parts. Many people also ride bikes. Amsterdam is called the Bike City. There are bike paths everywhere. Riding a bike is cheap and good for health. Cars are less common in Amsterdam. The city tries to reduce car traffic. This helps keep the air clean and streets safe for walking and cycling. Amsterdam has many places for fun and relaxation. People enjoy parks, lakes, and sports in the city. These places are perfect for families and friends. Vondelpark is the most famous park in Amsterdam. It is very big and beautiful. People walk, bike, or have picnics there. It is always lively. Sloter Lake is another great spot. People swim, sail, or just sit by the water. It is a peaceful place for relaxing on sunny days. Amsterdam Arena is a famous place for sports. It is the home of the Ajax football team. Many fans come to watch games here. The city has many events and festivals. Art festivals, music shows, and markets happen every year. They bring fun and color to the city. Day trips from Amsterdam are popular. Zandvoort is a beach nearby. People go there to swim or relax. It is a short trip from the city. Amsterdam has over 40 museums. They are great for learning and fun. The Van Gogh Museum and Anne Frank House are two famous examples. The canals are also a top attraction. Visitors enjoy boat rides through the city. It is a peaceful way to see the sights of Amsterdam. The city is also great for shopping. There are big stores and small local shops. People can find unique gifts and souvenirs everywhere. Recreational spots in Amsterdam are for everyone. They are for families, friends, or tourists. There is always something fun to do in the city. Amsterdam offers both nature and excitement. Parks, museums, and events make it a perfect place to visit or live. It is a city full of energy. The mix of peaceful canals, busy streets, and fun attractions makes Amsterdam special. This is why so many people love visiting this vibrant city.